Hello everyone, welcoming you to my third video of my channel. So I hope that this video is followed by previous two videos, because if you don't have watched the previous two videos you will not understand this video. So please go and watch previous two videos before watching this video. Okay, so I think it's clear. Okay, so read the question very carefully. It's 3 chapter 1 from the Agarwal book. But so here it is given that these two lines are parallel. Okay, and if these two lines are parallel, we know that this x will be equal to this x. If these two lines are parallel, yes or no? No, alternate angles, we all know. And then this y will be equal to this y, just we also know. Let me just write it very carefully. This y, okay, just we all know. Okay, and I can see that it can be some imaginary chord here, and it can be also some imaginary chord here. We can see it. So if this the y value given is 35 degree, so if this is 35 degree, according to alternate angle, this also will be 35 degree. Yes or no? Yes. Now consider this chord. Okay, consider this chord, and if you consider this chord, see, this angle will be equal to this angle. Yes or no? Consider this triangle ABC and triangle ABD. Consider these two triangle. If you consider these two triangle, this angle will be equal to this angle. So this will also be 35 degree. So this will also be 35 degree. Yes or no? Yes. Understood? Okay. Now so we need to find this angle. Okay. Clear? I think very much clear. Okay. DBC. Okay. No, we don't have to find this angle. We have to find out this angle. Sorry. We have to find this angle. Sorry. Yes. So we already find out. We know this is alternate angle. So this angle would be 35 degree. As easy as that. This problem is solved by the concept of alternate angle and the chord theorem, which I told you previously. Next question. Just watch it and make it clear. Okay. The next question is very much easy. What I can see. Okay, let's draw the diagram very quickly, and you can skip the diagram part. Okay, you can skip the diagram part. Okay, no need to watch how I am drawing. You are very good at drawing, I know. Okay. So just skip the diagram part for now. The diagram is wrong. Just a minute. Equals भाई equals okay, sorry. So this is 130 degree. This is 130 degree, and if this is 130 degree, see, it's the second theorem. So we have angle at the center, we have an angle at the circumference. Yes or no? And on the same arc. So see, so for finding out this, we have to find this value of y, and this value of y will be equal to 360 degree minus 130 degree, which is 230 degree. And if this is 230 degree, this will be half of that. If you don't understand this, please go and watch my previous video. This is very much well explained. This is a theorem, nothing else. Please go and watch my previous video. Okay. So the next one. You can skip the drawing. Okay, because this is taking a lot of time of yours. Okay, so just keep the drawing. So actually the drawing that is available to me is a bit hazy, so it is taking a longer time to draw. So we have to just find out the value of x and y, yes or no? Yes. So the concept is very much clear. This is a chord, yes, this is a chord, and there is a triangle like this, and there is a triangle like this. You have to see triangle, one triangle on a same chord. This is a triangle, this is a triangle on a same chord. So this value will be what? This value will be 40 degree. Same theorem, guys, just same theorem. You just have to learn the theorem. If you have learned the theorem, it's very much easy. It's very much easy. Okay, now see, just see it carefully, just see it carefully. If we consider this as chord, this is one triangle and this is another triangle. This is one triangle, you can see this is one triangle and this is another triangle. This is another triangle in the same chord. This is one triangle, this is another triangle, this is one triangle, this is another triangle. So here we can say this is 45 degree, and if this is 45 degree, then we can say 45 degree plus 40 degree plus y equals to 180 degree. Triangle, this triangle, this triangle ABC, this triangle. Okay, this triangle. So 85 plus y equals to 180, and y is 95 degree, and y is 95 degree. Next question. So this is 150 degree, this is 150 degree, and this is x degree, this is center O, and this is y degree, this is y degree. Just a minute. So this is y degree. So just listen it carefully what I am saying. So as it is 50 degree, so this will be half of it. Same theorem, guys, I will be not be repeating it. And to find out this, we have to draw an angle here. To find out this, we have to draw an angle here. Why? Because we have to draw an angle on the same side. We have to draw the angle on the same side before making a half of it. That's why, nothing else. And this will be half of 210 degree, which is 105 degree. Understood? So this is very easy. This is totally on the same theorem, so I am not wasting the time on it. Okay, so I hope you understand this. If you don't understand, just let me know in the comment. I will be making a recap of this problem on the next video if you don't understand it. but this is completely based on the theorem what I have discussed previously. Okay, so this is not center O. I know it is quite not realistic, looking realistic. This is not looking realistic, but this is center O. Okay, read the question very carefully. Okay, don't look, just look at the diagram and assume on your mind. So in a figure given below, M, N, N, B are the points on circle. M, N, A, B are the points on circle, and what we can see here, having center O, and MN and MB cuts at Y, and NYB. Okay, this angle NYB is 50 degree, is 50 degree, and YN, wait just a minute, YNB is 20 degree. Okay, you can see there was some lag or some change in frame, because there was some lag in my frame. Sorry for that. Okay, please do consider and listen it very carefully. So if this is 50 degree, if this is 20 degree, so this angle will be this is the next question. Okay, this question is 5a, this question is 5a. So if this is 50 degree, if this is 20 degree as given in the question, so this angle will be 180 minus 70 degree. Okay, because of this triangle. Which triangle? Sorry, because of this triangle, okay, because of this triangle, this will be 110 degree, okay, this will be 110 degree. So if this is 110 degree, then see it very carefully. This is a chord, and these two triangles are lying the same chord. Okay, this is a chord, and these two triangle, this triangle and this triangle, are lying in the same chord. This triangle and this triangle are lying in the same chord. So this will be also 50 degrees. This will also be 50 degrees. Okay, so this is the first angle of MAN. So MAN will be 50 degrees. Now see, consider this one. If you consider this one, then see, one at the center, one angle at the center, yes or no? One angle at the center, and one angle at the center, and the other angle, whatever the other angle, the other angle is at the see. So what will be this? Sorry, why 50 degree? Why I have written 50 degree? Sorry, this is 110 degree now, so this will be 110 degree. Okay, so that's why I was confused. Okay, so as this is 110 degree, so this will also be 110 degree. Okay, so this angle, what will be this? See, this is at the center and this is at the circumference and lying under the same arc, and it is lying under the same arc. We go by the formula of 2 into 110, which is to 20 degree. Understood? Which is much more simpler. Yeah, a simple glitch has happened. Like that will be not 50 degree, this will be 110 degree. It is lying under the same chord. It is lying under the same chord, so this will be 110 degree. So next problem. Okay, so what will be this angle? So this is a diagram for 5 support 2. So what will be this angle? Because I have been asked to find out this angle and this angle. Okay, I have been asked to find out this angle. Okay, so what will be this angle? This angle will be 360 minus 140. What will be that? It will be 250 degree. Yes or no? Yes, it will be 250 degree. And why I find out this? Because this is in the center and this is at the circumference, and they are lying in the same arc. They are lying in the same arc. So what will be this then? What will be this angle? This angle will be half. This will be what? This will be just a minute. Okay, I have done the minus wrong. Sorry. So this will be half of 220, which is 110 degree. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so I know this is a quadrilateral. And if this is a quadrilateral, I know all the angles of a quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. All the angles of a quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. So this angle will become 360 minus 110 plus 140 plus 50. That's equals to 360 minus what? Just sum it up. It will be 300. Just sum it up. It will be 300. Yes or no? Yes. So it will be 300, and that will be 60 degree. Okay, understood? So what I have told, first find out this angle, and it will be just half of it. Why? According to theorem 3, if this is a center and this is a circumference, if this is a circumference and this is a center, and it is lying the same arc, so that will be definitely be half of it. That will be definitely be half of it. And in a quadrilateral, all the angle is 360 degree. So I subtract 360 degree from other three angles, and it gives me this one. Okay. The next one, what is been told? Let's see. Before that, please phrase. Okay. Now, okay. This is 140, right? Okay. This is 140. If you don't understand, this is 140. So the next is OAB. OAB. This means this angle. Okay, the line is not so perfect. Let me draw the line again. This angle we have to find it out. OAB. Okay. So to find OAB, we know this is the radius. Yes or no? We know this is the radius. So if this is x, this is also x, and it becomes a triangle. So 140 plus x equals to 180 degree. Okay, so how it becomes a radius? Anything from the center will be radius. Okay, anything from the center will be radius. That's why it is radius. So it will be 40 plus 2x equals to 180, and 2x equals to 40, and x equals to 20. So the value of x has become 20, and if the value of x has become 20, it will become 30 degree, and it will also become 30 degree. Sorry. It will also become 30 degree. Okay, understood? As the value of x becomes 20 degree, so it will also become 30 degree. So please do watch it. And okay, I am stopping the video here. If you have any doubts, please just let me know in the comments. And if you have doubt in this problem, please let me know in the comments, and I will be repeating this video. But do watch it again and again, at least 3 times. This sum at least watch it 3 times. If you still don't understand, please just let me know.